Hello and welcome to my channel Easy Olympiad Maths. These are mathematical reasoning questions for class 4 IMO Set B year 2017 with answers and solutions. New users subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Let's start the video with question 11. What fraction of the given figure is unshaded? Now see a figure on the right side. You have to calculate the unshaded fraction of this figure. Now there are 20 rectangles in this figure. Now I have broken it into parts to demonstrate it properly. So we will calculate the unshaded rectangles of part first. So there are 6 rectangles, out of which 3 are shaded. So unshaded rectangles of this part are 3. Now move to second part. There are 2 rectangles, out of which 1 is shaded. So unshaded rectangle in this is 1. And in third part there are 8 rectangles, out of which 4 are shaded. So unshaded rectangles will be 4. And in the fourth part there are 4 rectangles, out of which 1 rectangle is shaded. So unshaded rectangles will be 3. Now total rectangles is 20. Unshaded rectangles will be 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 11. Now unshaded fraction will be 11 by 20. So correct option is B. Question number 12. If the same letter represents the same digit, then digits A and B respectively are. Now see the multiplication problem on the right side. So 6 when multiplied by A gives A. So look at the first digit in options A, B, C, D. So the digits given for A in the options are 5, 4, 3, 2. Now which out of these 4 digits, which digit when multiplied by 6 gives the same unit digit? So when 6 is multiplied by 4 equals to 24. So same unit digit it is giving, and 6 when multiplied by 2 gives 12. It is also the same unit digit. Now A equals to 4 does not satisfy the given multiplications. Now substitute A equals to 4, so it does not satisfy. Now A equals to 2 satisfy the given multiplication. So A is 2 in option D. So correct option is D. Question number 13. Piyush had following 4 bags of coins. Now bag 1 has 3621, bag 2 5273 coins, bag 3 2442, bag 4 4385. How many total number of coins Piyush had when rounded off to nearest thousand? So first you calculate the total number of coins in bag 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively, and then found the number which is nearest to 1000. Question 14. Which of the following options is incorrect? Now see the options A, B, C, D, solve the addition problem and check which option is incorrect. Question 15. Find the missing numbers. Now you have to find the missing numbers. 25. Add 11 in 25. What will be the next number? Then multiply that number by 3. What will be the next number? Subtract 8 from that number. What will be the next number? Now this number when divides by 4 should be 25. Now find the missing numbers. Check out your answers at the end of video. Question number 16. Sonali's clues about her mystery number are shown in the cloud. What is Sonali's mystery number? So first is 6 tenths, second 4 thousandths, third 8 ones, fourth 5 ten thousandths, fifth 9 hundredths. So I have make a table. You can substitute the number according to their place values. A hint is given on the left side. You can calculate the value and write in the table and choose the correct option. Question 17. In the given figure, ABCD is a square, EFGH is a rectangle. Find the length of BE. Now ABCD is a square. So all the sides will be equal. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA is 10 centimeter. Since AB 10 centimeter given, so all sides are equal. Now EFGH is a rectangle, so opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. So GF is equals to HE, which is 18 centimeter given. Now HE is equals to HC plus CB plus BE. See the given figure. Now HE is 18 centimeter equals to HC is 5 centimeter, CB 10 centimeter, and B is not given. We have to calculate it. Now B is equals to, we will solve the equation, 18 centimeter minus 15 centimeter equals to 3 centimeter. So correct option is C. Question number 18. The given graph shows the height of 5 friends. What is the total height of all children? Now see the graph. Height of 5 children, Aman, Chavi, Parul, Ajay and Karan is given. You have to find the total height of all children. So it's an easy one. Try yourself. You can see the answer at the end of video. Question number 19. Fill the correct sign in the box. Now see, it's a Roman numeral problem. Calculate the Roman numbers, solve the equation and choose the correct sign. Now you can make use of the hints given. So first is L, triple X, IX. So L is 50. Now triple X, X is 10, so 3X will be 3 into 10, 30. And IX is 9. X is 10, so I is on the left side, so 10 minus 1, 9. If I is on the right side, it will be added to 10. So next is XX, VII. So XX is 2 into 10, 20. Now V is 5. Now I is 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So to 5 plus 3 is 8. So all calculations given at the in the downward direction. You can check out that. Question number 20. Anurag saved the following amount in a week. He saved the same amount every day. How much did he save in one day? Now see the solution. Total amount Anurag saved in 1 week. Calculate the total money given in the figure. Now he saved same amount every day. So there are 7 days in a week. So amount saved in 1 day will be total amount saved in 1 week divided by 7. Now you will get the answer. Check your answers here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, please like, share and subscribe. Please write in the comments if you want me to solve any question.